Hey ChatGPT, what's the one job that is actually irreplaceable in the AI era?
Hospitality.
Hmm.
It's human connection AI can't replicate.
Hi, I'm Nhat Anh. I'm CBM student. I'm Code 5, and I'm diving into a most fast-paced and human-centric industry. People ask me why I decided to study hospitality, but then I ask them again, why not? I look back, I think that I didn't really choose hospitality, but actually I grew into it because back to around when I was just around 7 to 8 years old, I was just like a kid who loved cooking. And what stayed with me wasn't just only about the food or cuisine. It was a feeling of making food, good food for my family, and seeing them really happy with that. So those moments when something I made could actually take care of people. And I think that it was my first encounter with what I now call a hospitality spirits. As I grew older, I was exposed to some subjects like business and also travel and tourism through the Cambridge curriculum. And that's was when I think that I should start diving more with hospitality and understand the industry. And I began to see this industry is not just something emotional, but it's like a real industry with a system and with a way of thinking. So that's the reason why I can align between my hobby and with what I have learned, so that I decide to chase and to pursue hospitality management industry. Hospitality, to me, is ultimately about people, and more than that, it's about connection between people. Well, so some people might say that it's just about the food, about the customer experience and service, but actually, for me, stick to the meaning of people. It's about how you make them feel welcoming and feel engaged when they have conversations and when they really experience what we offer to them. At VinUni, we have a really special networking events in the Christmas time to interact between VinUni leaders and also with the industry. Also with that, we have a really special events for hospitality students, which is the luxury hospitality symposium, where there will be the real interaction with industry and also get the internship or the job opportunities. The second interesting fact at VinUni of our hospitality industry is that learning by doing, by experiential learning, as I have a really special chance to work closely with Mr. David Van Hove, his hospitality lecturer and also hospitality manager. So we have created a lot of different networking events, luxury symposium, and a lot of different stuff for our students. Well, first trait or same in mind is about genuinely welcoming, because it's just not about the action but about your energy. People can easily feel it. The second trait is about attention to detail, because in this industry the smallest thing can make the biggest difference. Last trait to me is about perfection, because people at the end of the day they only remember what you make them feel. So it's always try to refine it, not just settle it down. And that's for today. I'm Nhat Anh, and hopefully you guys will understand more about hospitality from my perspective. And also I hope that you guys will support me with Professor David Van Hove for a really special events this April, which is Luxury Hospitality Symposium. Please come and join us.